So I got juice to go with my lunch. I got my bag.
You gotta show for the video.
Oh, okay.
He got a lunch, of course. Okay.
The juice.
He got his juice. All right.
I got, just in case I get extra thirsty.
He got his water. Period. You got your wrestlers in there?
Oh yeah, I gotta get my wrestlers.
Yeah, go get his wrestlers, but he got him
some Sour Patch Kids.
He got him some candy up in there.
And some fruities, if y'all know what that is, y'all OG. Because those are the best snacks.
Period. And he's about to go.
Yep. Bye, y'all.